Okay, yeah.
First time sa virtual.
It's okay. It's a very informal cooking class, you know, that we don't have to be very formal. Okay, so I'm going to cook and show you from the scratch. You know, unlike other, you know, TV shows that they already prepare the food. Okay, so I'm going to start from the scratch. Okay, we're going to start with broccoli bird's nest. It's just like okoy, but I made it healthy for everybody. Okay, so what we're going to need is half cup of flour. The unbleached flour. I'm using unbleached flour. This is half cup, and then we're gonna put half cup of water.
Okay.
And then we need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, which I'm going
2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
You know, we're very particular about healthy food dito sa Filipino American Cancer Care because our beneficiaries, you know, most of them or actually all of them are cancer warriors, mga cancer patients. And para kay Chef, it's very important because you also have a foundation, yung CHU, di ba, Chef?
Yes.
Oh, nandito pala si Kuya, yung sous chef. Ano, sous chef? Ito na. Would you like to promote your book muna habang nagpe-prepare tayo? Live tayo?
No, they can get it from Amazon.
Amazon. Ano bang title nun?
Oh my jokes.
Oh my jokes.
Ha ha ha.
Ah ha ha. Written by Oscar Bonoan.
So we have half cup of flour, half cup of water. So we're going to season this with salt and pepper. I'm not gonna put pepper this time, okay? So it's really up to you. So that's about 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? And what we're going to use, unlike in the Philippines, we're going to use the branch of the broccoli. Okay. So this is the broccoli. This is the broccoli. We're not going to use the florets. We're going to use the trunk and the branch. Okay. The trunk, you have to peel it because it's kind of tough. But the branch is, you know, is tender. The upper part of the broccoli. You have to be here, sous chef.
So, chef daw,
Okay. So, you have to use whisk. So, we already seasoned it with salt. Okay. And this is, by the way, this is in the recipe book. And my recipe book is your guide. Okay. And culinary is an art. So, it's up to you to do your own version. Okay. All right. Okay. So, Oscar is going to show you how to cut the broccoli.
Teka muna, ano mangyayari doon sa mga florets na yan?
You can cook in another recipe.
But you're not gonna use that for the bird's nest.
We're not gonna use it for the bird's nest. But you
yung trunk lang ang kailangan mo.
And use it for,
Nakikita ba, Josie, ito?
Oh, nakikita. Nakikita.
Cut it this way.
Okay.
Then just...
Kitang-kita Imagine mo, 3 yung camera ko ngayon, ha? Ibang klase tayo.
This.
Ayan. Dito kaya ako sa kabila. Ayan,
so
para
you
mas
can
maganda.
you can focus on the way he's chopping.
Yes.
Okay. So that's you have to chop it in
That's it, right there.
thin strips. Okay. So we're going to put the broccoli. It's about 1.5 cups. Okay. In the recipe book, it says 2 cups. So we just 1.5 cups. Okay. We add it to the flour mixture, and then we need to cut. Well, we already cut the carrots for you, and this is you cut it the same way as the broccoli. Okay. So we're gonna put about 1 cup. Okay. And we're going to put some either sweet peppers or broccoli, or red bell pepper. Now, red bell pepper is expensive, so you can buy a bunch, a lot of sweet peppers, and during the time it's not too expensive. You know, I buy a lot and then I freeze it. Okay, so I'm gonna put some, just about 1/4 cup. Okay, we're gonna mix it.
Simple lang yung mga ingredients, ha?
Simple lang ang ingredients natin. So, natimplahan na natin. We have the mushroom. Okay, if you don't know this is umami, which is mushroom seasoning. You can put some in here, to enhance the flavor. Rather than using the MSG.
Saan ba binibili yan siya?
Yeah, you can buy that in any Asian store.
Sa Asian store lang talaga.
Walmart has it.
Patingin nga uli, ito yung pinaka-importante ingredient.
Yeah, okay.
Umami mushroom.
Okay, so I'm gonna put, maybe a teaspoon. Okay. So we don't need this sucha. Okay. And now this is ready. We're gonna turn on our stove.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Ray Badahos Dakol. You're watching us. Tatlo yung camera ko. Isa sa computer. Isa sa iPhone.
Okay. This is not deep fried. Unlike the, the original okoy, you put a lot of oil. This is just like shallow frying.
Nakikita ba yung i-move ko muna siguro. Kuya, can you help me na ma-focus siya sa kay chef? And ito lang ang galawin natin. Ito lang. Yan. Dito. Yan. Para makita. Thank you. Okay. So, welcome to the virtual cooking class. Ang mga, dito mga nag-attend ngayon, they are from California. Di ba, Rochelle? Are you there, Rochelle? Okay, busy pa yung ating mga audience, but they're watching us.
We can add more of the broccoli.
Okay.
If
the more broccoli is better.
That's right, yeah. If you could focus, this is the consistency of your bird's nest. Okay.
Walang eggs, no?
No egg. No egg.
Oh, so it's safe para sa may mga, sa may mga allergy sa eggs.
No egg. But we're going to use this tiny shrimps. Okay. It's a little expensive, but I'm gonna show you the package.
Okay. Sa Asian store yan eh.
Asian store.
Yan ang ginagamit namin pag nagluluto kami ng laswa ng mga ilongga.
Okay.
Pero maalat to, di ba?
It's seasoned, but it's not too salty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's
dried pink shrimp.
Shrimp. Oh, yeah. Now,
those who are interested to join the cooking class, our next cooking class dito sa Virginia, it's going to be on August 9. Uwi kasi si chef sa Pilipinas, but we're gonna have another one. And thank you so much because this is a fundraising event for chef and Kuya Oscar to do this para sa ating mga cancer patients. It's a very big thing.
Chef, because you're going to assist us. Okay, as you can see, I'm pulling the bird's nest, the broccoli bird's nest. It should be like 1 or 2 bites.
Parang okoy siya, no?
Ala okoy. That's why I said ala okoy.
Ay, ala okoy.
Okay. And then, if you could come here, Mr. Sucha, we need you here. About 1 or 2 bites. Okay. And then, on top of this, we're going to put the tiny pink shrimp. Okay, so the shrimp, we're going to put
Very healthy. Huh?
Yep. Okay, so
Ito talaga yung magugustuhan ng mga cancer patients kasi nga very healthy siya. Again, we will have another cooking class. Ngayon, virtual to. This is virtual cooking class for our supporters in California.
Maybe it's lower than the temperature. It should be like medium high.
Medium.
Medium high. Okay. Right there.
Wow.
Okay. So we can add a little bit of oil if it needs more oil. But
Yung iba, chef, you know what others are doing? Parang naka-deep fried sila.
Yeah, we don't want deep
Ako kasi I
fried.
cannot eat deep fried na mga pagkain ngayon because I don't even have gallbladder. So it's my stomach always get irritated pag kumakain ako ng mga deep fried.
Okay, so what we're going to do is
How many minutes, chef?
probably 1 or 2 minutes.
Oh, look
1
at
or 2
that.
minutes. Okay. Press the tiny shrimp a little bit, so it will stick to the broccoli business. Okay.
If you're allergic to chef, sa shrimp, can you add like chicken, ground chicken?
You can do that, yeah.
Or you can use also like...
So, Mr. Suchat, can you help here? Oh, okay. So, as you can see, it's almost cooked. Okay. Okay. Let's get a flour.
Walang eggs, ha? So, if you have...
No egg. Okay. We're gonna transfer the cooked one in the platter, but we have to put the paper towel to drain the excess oil if there's any. Okay. Okay, so okay, go ahead and put the cooked ones there. Okay. See, you need a spatula, a large one and a small one. The small one will help the large spatula to turn it over. So, that's it. We showed you that. And we're gonna cook some later on. So we'll show you the easy way to make it.
Tatlo lang naman tayo dito eh.
Okay.
But we have
So we can cook
viewers
some
California.
later.
May darating si na General.
Yan, ang ukoy.
Yeah.
A healthy kind of ukoy.
The ukoy this time. Okay.
There you go.
The next recipe that I'm going to make.
Next, ang bilis, chef, ano?
Mabilis siya.
Oo.
Mabilis.
Ako pag nagluluto, parang ang tagal-tagal. Kailangan ko ng 2 araw. Okay.
Ay, ang dali na, Miss Josie.
Ha?
Feeling ko kaya ko iluto yan.
Oo, napakadali eh.
Easy, that's good.
So, nakita mo ba kanina yung ginawa ni chef?
Yes. Nakaharap sa akin yung video, watching while doing my treatment. It's good. Easy. Para sa mga busy mom like us.
By the way, Rachel, pwede ba nating i-acknowledge yung mga nagbigay? Kasi ngayon, yung lista ko...
and then may ilan ako isa pa.
Meron kang lista dyan?
Wala ako ngayon, nasa phone ko.
That's okay, no worries. Nandito si chef.
Later.
Okay. Let's move on to
So
the
our
next.
audience are they Americans or Filipinos?
All Filipinos.
All Filipinos, para naman hindi ako ma-nosebleed.
Yes. All
Okay.
Filipino, Tagalog tayo.
Tagalog.
Sige, magtagalog
Good.
tayo.
Okay. So the next one is salmon with mushroom and curry sauce. Okay. Easy to make it. You're gonna keep this. Okay. So
All right. Yung mga gustong pumunta dito sa next na cooking class, you have to reach out to FACC.